Welcome to BMPRO, the leading experts in RV power and control management. We have more than 50 years' experience in power solutions, based at our state-of-the-art design and manufacturing facilities in Melbourne, Australia. Inspired by the great outdoors, we live and breathe adventure. We perform our product research in the field and work side by side with our customers to design rugged, smart and reliable products to power your adventures. Our R&D department houses leading-edge smart technology with highly trained, experienced automotive and electronic engineers. These experts use the latest design tools to brainstorm and create unique solutions, consistently exceeding customers' expectations. Our commitment to Australian manufacturing is supported by ongoing capital investment. BMPRO's advanced manufacturing facilities allow our Australian-made products to successfully compete on local and international markets. Homegrown in one of the toughest testing labs in the world at our doorstep, BMPRO products are known globally for quality, reliability and longevity, built to match the harsh Australian environment. We call ourselves Team BMPRO. Our departments work together as one because we know great pioneering ideas and leading-edge products designed to broaden RV owners' horizons are born in this type of highly supportive work environment. We'd like to introduce one of our latest premium products, ProSmart. ProSmart has been created from years of experience in Bluetooth research. It can open new horizons in smart technology to a broad range of travellers. Whether you're in a camper, caravan, four-wheel drive or even a boat, ProSmart provides adventurers with a wealth of information for comfortable and safe travel. ProSmart is a monitor with an app that connects to Bluetooth sensors. The cutting-edge system is very easy to install or retrofit to any vehicle. It can provide real-time monitoring on your 12-volt battery, water levels in your water tank, gas levels in your barbecue or propane bottles, tyre pressures, temperatures in your fridge, freezer or inside the vehicle, all via an easy-to-use app on your smartphone. So how does it work? ProSmart monitors both wired and individual Bluetooth sensors, so adventurers can enjoy off-grid travels without having to rely on an internet connection. The system is also future-proof, allowing users to continually add new Bluetooth sensors as needed. BMPRO launches ProSmart in May 2021, bringing Australian innovation to travellers worldwide and making life on the road more enjoyable than ever. BMPRO, a new level of innovation, powering your adventures.